Welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about rectangle, circle, and arc in SolidWorks. Already we know this is a very basic sketch tool in SolidWorks. So rectangle, we have a 5 different type. One is a corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, 3-point center rectangle, and then parallelogram. So this is a group of rectangle tools. Same like that, we have that another two options. One is a circle, another one is a perimeter circle. This is like a 3-point circle. Another one is an arc. Arc also we have 3 different types. One is a center point arc, tangent arc, and 3-point arc. Now we go to discuss about all our 3 tools. So first I go to create the new file. So just I go to click new. In this window I go to select part and then select OK. So now we are entering the part module, but I want to work in sketch. So I go to select in the plane and then I go to create new sketch. So now the top plane is reoriented. So we have that sketch module. See, we have the sketch tools available in the top. Already we have discussed about line. So now we go to discuss about rectangle. So in this rectangle, the system is showing for a help video also. So just I go to click this arrow mark. In this arrow mark, we have all type of rectangles available. Okay. So first I go to start from the corner rectangle. Just I go to click the corner rectangle. In this graphics window, already we know where we have that one origin point. Already I told you. So whenever you start the sketch, you start from the origin point. It is a perfect place for making the sketch. So corner rectangle, I go to select first corner and then I go to select the next corner. Just I go to click the 2 corners, so automatically this rectangle or square is created based on our dimension. So once I completed, I give escape in the keyboard. See, now we get a rectangle. In this rectangle, see carefully. So 2 lines are black and another 2 lines are blue. I think already we are discussed, because these 2 are fixed in the origin, but another 2 still not fixed. So how can we fix? We know we using the smart dimension to give the dimension these 2 lines. One is in height, I give 60. Another one is in this length, I give 80. Just check now all lines in black. So it means our sketch is fully constrained. Don't forget, in this point, before completing the sketch, your all lines or all entities should be in the black. Okay. So this one type of rectangle, one is finished. I go to select another type. So another type is in center rectangle. It means just I go to click the center point. So now I go to take another place of the graphics window. Just I go to click the one point. In this point acting as a center point. See, now I moving my cursor. The rectangle lines should be moved symmetrically. Both the side, no? Vertical and horizontal, both the side is moving symmetrically because I select in the midpoint. So next I go to click another point. So this is the second point. Now the rectangle is created. Okay, done. Same like this, we have that another 3 methods: 3-point center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, parallelogram. Before I go to these things, I want to explain once more important thing. Just I go to select any one type of rectangle. Now I get one window, that properties window on the left side. Check this window. What are the rectangles available in this icon? The same rectangle options available in the properties windows also. See, here we have the 5 different type of rectangles. So you no need to go that's inside and go to select. You click any one rectangle, we get this window. Here also we able to select which one you want to do. For example, now I go to take this 3-point corner rectangle. So this is my first corner. This is okay, little zoom in. I go to zoom it. This is second corner. This is my third corner. See, this is my corner rectangle. You want parallelogram also, you have to from here onwards. First point, second point, and this angle. So now I get in parallelogram. Okay. So same like this, we go to create all type of rectangle here. And also, once you complete the rectangle, you have some another options is open. It's called existing relations and also add relations. So in this rectangle, we don't have any existing relations here. Maybe in future we go to discuss about this. Now we are checking here. Here we have some relations. This relations already we are discussed in the line chapter also. So same like this, similar from here onwards. You want to vertical or fix somewhere. So these are the relations available. So below this we have the another one options that's called constraints. So just I go to click this constraint. Which one I was selected, that should be changed as a construction lines. So just I go to untick this one. This is a normal rectangle, this is a normal sketch. So just I go to select this one. So I get in construction lines. It means this lines never converted into 3D. This should be only in the 2D, only for the reference, only for the construction purpose. So that's why here we have an extra one option. And also some parameter is given below. So based on our point, we go to give the parameters. So we have that 3 planes, front, top and right, So the same plane we have that x-axis, y-axis values. Okay. So this point also we are able to change based on our requirement. Okay. So this is the mostly we are used in the rectangle tools. Okay. Now I go to give escape and then select all. I go to delete in the graphics window. Is asking, yes, I go to delete all. So next I go to select another one tool we want to discuss, circle. Okay. Circle also already we are discussed. We have a two type of circle is available. Circle already we are discussed. We have the 2 type of circle is available. First I go to select the first circle. It means I go to select the midpoint and then I go to create the, I go to give the radius value. For example, I click here. So radius is 133. So you want to change the radius, here onwards we are able to change. I go to give 100. See, here also we are able to change. Same like in this also, like in a rectangle tool. In the properties we have some both the options available here onwards. You don't need to go again and somewhere. So just you go to click, just you go to choose which one you want for next circle. Just now I go to select this perimeter circle. So next I go to select the perimeter circle here and I go to select first point, second point and then third point. This is a perimeter circle. The same options available here also. It means fix relations, existing relations and then constraints and also that parameters. So same things available here onwards. So here also you go to change the values. You want to change the diameter or you want to visible in the diameter means you go to select the smart dimension and then select here you go to mark what diameter you want, whatever you want. Okay. So this one. Next one, arc. So arc we have 3 types. Similar, just I go to click the center point arc. It means first I go to click the center point and then I select the radius of the arc. Next I go to select the starting point of arc. Now I go to select both in single click. One is in radius, another one is in starting point. See, just I click here. Its center point to here automatically take as a radius and also the arc center point also started from here. Okay. So I go to select the end point. So this is my next arc. So this one type of arc. Another one type tangent arc. So just I go to click the tangent arc. First I go to create any one line or any one already given the point. Starting from the any one point or entity, whatever it may be. So now I go to select from the center point. So now I go to click another one arc. So this arc should be automatically this continuous arc, tangent arc. So I go to able to draw continuously and also I go to create with the tangent. See the tangent symbol also visible in the arc. So that's why it's called as a tangent arc. And next one is very simple 3-point arc. I go to click first point, second point and third point. So this is 3-point arc. In these three tools mostly similar, because whenever you go to click these tools, we get the properties window. In the properties window also same like this, three type of arc is available: existing relation, constraints, and then add relations, and then parameters. These all are similar. Okay, I think it's enough for this video. Just you go to check this one and then practice yourself. Thank you for watching.